Project management success is built around key components. We will do a walkthrough on it. What are those components? What are the necessities? Correct? So we'll look about it. Correct? So let's have a look on this. You are able to see a diagram on the screen right now. This is one of the most important diagram in project management because this is the basic building layout of projects. We will be discussing the project life cycle. We are going to discuss project life cycle in the subsequent session, or maybe we can start at the end of this session. Project life cycle means starting the project, organizing and preparing the project, carrying out the work, and completing the project. What we saw, the 4 stages for the building up the flyover. So we'll get into more technical details of these blocks. But right now, what we are going to discuss in our first segment of our session is we are going to discuss on the pre-project work. And what is the pre-project work? Before starting even the project, pre-project work is, first of all, need assessment, whether requirement exists or not. And if it exists, what is the nature of it, correct? Then that need assessment will be evaluated through a business case. Does it have a business case or not? Do you need a business to do this project or not? Then it comes benefit management plan. Benefit management plan, don't worry, we are going to discuss their definitions and their real meaning in detail in subsequent slides. But let's understand the flow right now. Then we are looking from 30,000 feet look right now. Then we'll get into the details of each one of them. So need assessment, if the need assessment is there, it has to pass through the business case scenario. Business case, it will be evaluated independently in collaboration with benefit management plan. And finally, with the amalgamation of these 3 things, a project charter will be developed to start a project. Correct? And finally, there will be a project management plan. So the project charter will be developed to start the project, and project management plan will be developed to run the project through its life cycle. So these are some critical documents are there. Some of them are clearly demarcated as the pre-project work, which are need assessment, business case, and benefit management plan. And once the decision is in favor of taking up a new project, a project charter will be developed, rather it is being developed together, and it gives a go green to start the project. Basically, project charter will be a mandate to start the project, which project owners or the project sponsors will give it to the project manager. And then project manager will develop the project management plan. So this was just the glimpse of this 30,000 feet outlook of this flow chart.